Good morning. Today's May 20th, 2019, and today's refinishing project is located in Crockett, California. Okay, so today we're going to be refinishing this clawfoot bathtub here. Really nice tub. The outside of the tub is in good condition, as well as the feet. Looks like the inside was done at one point, a long time ago. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to strip off this old coating, fully prep it, prime and refinish this tub in a Kohler white. Take a closer look. Yeah, so the inside of this tub, to strip and refinish it, will take roughly 4.5 to 5 hours to fully prep and then refinish it. Alright, so we'll follow up once we're done. Okay, so we're done with the clawfoot bathtub here in Crockett, California. Let's have a look at it. So we went ahead and stripped off that old coating on here, and fully prepped, primed, and refinished it. Took around 5.5 hours to strip and refinish this tub here. Turned out really nice. Alright, so if you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.